Well, it's January 19th, and at 6:30 a.m., 2019, the snowstorm here around Warsaw, Indiana, that I noticed, because I went out to split some wood and bring a bunch more wood in. That I had cut with my Sthil chainsaw back over there. This is Tama. And I'm frying me 2 eggs, and I'm going to have toast with this morning I've got tea with cream in my tea. And I got a bunch of my wood split. Anyway, hi Bobby Beezer. Hi sweetie. She went out already. Let her out. Right when the storm just started. And she's back in. Aren't you, Beezer? Hi Bobby Beezer. You're so pretty, aren't ya? She's a Fu Manchu tuxedo cat. Everybody enjoy the snowstorm. Oh boy, I can hear it out there. Wind just a-blowing. All right. I'm going to have breakfast this morning. Saturday morning. Signing off.